Today I'm making such a fun dessert using these brown sugar cinnamon Pop-Tarts. What's your favorite flavor? Let me know in the comments. 2 cans of caramel apple. The cinnamon life cereal. I've got 1 cup. Put it in a Ziploc bag and just roll it out. This is the Cinnadust cake mix. Got a whole box in there. And a 1/2 cup of these chopped walnuts. Now we're going to be taking 2 sticks of butter. Just use nature's whisk. Go right in there. Start crumbling everything together. Spread this all around. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Doesn't this look amazing? I'm topping this with some chopped up red and green apples. Top it with some caramel Smucker's syrup. Oof, got the caramel apple. Ooh, look at all the steam. To top this with ice cream or whipped cream. Oh my God, that is delicious.